Happy Tuesday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. Release the energy, move the energy around. That way, if we have any tension, just release it, let it go. This is the me time, wherever you are in the beginning, during, or end of your day. Just 10 minutes is all I ask for you to join me. Breathe in and out. One more, breathe in and out. All right. Okay, say hi, say hello, drop a comment down below. Let's go ahead and hashtag your mood. How are you feeling? How is your spirit? I am feeling this thing we call grace. I could feel it. I'm experiencing that. And I'm actually going to do a separate live on this because I really want to go in on this, and so I just wanted to share more in depth of what that is, and I don't want to use the Shift Your Thinking time for that. So you'll just catch it on the live. I'll upload it, and it's going to be tied to Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation. It'll be tied to Ready Set Real Estate. It'll be tied to my brand Super Agent, and I am feeling this thing we call grace. A true blessing when you are operating and allowing the infinite intelligence of Creator, Divine Source to work through you. So yeah, I hear that I need to share this, and part of it goes in my journal, and the other part I'll do it in a vlog. Okay. So we are continuing our series of Dean Del Sesto Shift Your Thinking, 2 ways to improve our lives, and we do it together. And remember, Shift Your Thinking is a bonus series alongside our feature show, which is Ready Set Real Estate. You'll notice I've got the new gray hat with the yellow thread writing. Really like this one. Let me know if you like this style. I absolutely love gray. It's my favorite color. And so I put together this gray and yellow. Feeling this one right here. All right. And again, you can check out what's happening at lasuperagent.com, lasuperagent.com. Remember, anything you invest in me, that's signing up for courses, the workshops, the trainings, the Ready Set Real Estate trainings that we're doing both online and offline, or you're buying the Ready Set Real Estate merch to rep your real estate. Really, it's you communicating to the world that you are supporting real estate literacy. That's what Ready Set Real Estate is about. A portion of our proceeds are donated to our favorite nonprofit, and that's Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation. So for some people said, oh, do I have to own real estate? Do I have to be in the industry? No. Ready Set Real Estate has become a brand and part of the movement of Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation. Remember, let me remind you, Ready Set Real Estate was created as a platform to bring more awareness to Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation. And so I put that real estate swag on it. I put that spin on it. So more of you would be more interested and more exciting and supporting and learning more about real estate. We put that swag and we bring it back and not let it be exclusive to a type of people, a group of people, a class of people, because real estate transcends all isms. So that's what Ready Set Real Estate is about, and growing and doing phenomenal things. And I want to thank you for growing with us. Thank my family and friends for supporting my wild idea. A lot of you have a lot of you are repping, got the Ready Set Real Estate hats. You've got the Real Estate 100 Youth tees. You got the books. You got everything. I love you, love you, love you. I certainly don't expect you to continue to carry the foundation forward. But thank you for sharing. Thank you for letting people know that what we're doing, what you're proud of what we're doing, and giving back. It's part of that give back. How different would your life be if you knew real estate literacy as young as first grade? If real estate was a normalcy, if the word real estate, the phrase, those two words, real estate, put together was a normalcy in your vocabulary, how different would your life be? That's what we're about. That's all. We're just empowering folks with real estate literacy so that you are literate when it comes to, albeit you're a renter or an owner or you're soon to inherit an estate. That's what we're about. All right, let's continue. Let's jump in it. So episode 196 of Shift Your Thinking. I like this one. Peace be still is what I'm going to call it. Peace be still. He says, if you want to fast track your progress, stay perfectly still. This is so powerful and amazing because literally, y'all, I woke up late. I was up late, and there's two things I'm finding. So I'm not wanting to be guilt tripped over not spending enough time with my son. I'm building that into my schedule. I have long hours and I have weird hours to most of you, but I'm a creative, so I'm up late and he's up late. He's always been like that in utero since I was pregnant, and he's like that now. He does get enough sleep. We sleep in. He's in his summer program, and he doesn't really start until 12. So we hung out last night. I took a nap, and I woke up at midnight, and we played cards. He was still up. I had asked him if he had taken a nap. He said, "No, Mom, but I'm good." And we played cards. We played one of our favorite games. My grandmother showed him how to play what we call pity pat, or I think in English you guys call it pity pat. So, we played that for, a couple minutes, and then we signed off. And when I woke up this morning, I was going through this not wanting to rush, wanting to bask in this thing that I'm calling grace right now, because there are some powerful things that are happening in my life. There are some just phenomenal shifts that are happening that I have been waiting for, patiently, anxiously waiting for, because I'm a fire sign. I don't really know how to wait for anything. So I'll call it patiently, anxiously waiting for. And to see those things materialize right now, it is phenomenal. It is phenomenal. I'm having a wonderful time. Is it easy? No, because I have to be disciplined. I have to be consistent. But today, I said to myself, take it easy. Receive all of this. Take it easy. All right, let's continue. He says, the discipline of stillness can be rocket fuel to growth. Wow. He says, it's ironic that we start out life waiting in one place for 9 months, only to be in a frantic hurry for the rest of our lives. What I want to do is, just so that my camera doesn't do this thing, I think if I move my screen over, it should be fine. Okay, cool. He says, in contrast to a twisted worldview, stillness doesn't mean stuckness. It actually means progress. Taking time to meditate and think through things thoroughly will create speed. Drop in the comment below. Stillness makes progress. Contrary to what we've been saying, right? Take action. But I say this all the time to people that I rock with. I am looking for the ebb and flow, because I kid you not, when I find my stillness and I'm not moving, and I know why that happens, is because it's like when you're gardening and you're farming and you're planting the seed, you water it. If you keep watering the seed, you will drown it. So you've got to chill out. Let the sun do what it's going to do. Let the weather and the wind and the earth and the elements take its course. You can only do so much, and then you've got to let it go, right? They call that, right? release and let it go, let God, right? Let it go and then let God. Or when you let it go, for me, that's the ebb and flow, and amazing things happen when I allow myself to be still. And I don't have my hands in the pot and I'm stirring it and stirring it and stirring it. It's not going to be flavorful anymore. So I love this. I love this right now because this is exactly my moment. This is my mood. And this is why I said I was experiencing this thing called grace, is because I can be still enough to recognize that I'm experiencing grace. He says we think that by moving faster, thinking faster, acting faster, and being faster, things will happen faster. For today's sojourner, slow is the new fast, calm is the new force, and peace is the new profitability. Type that in the comments. Peace equals profitability. In contrast to a twisted worldview, stillness doesn't mean stuckness. It actually means progress. Taking time to meditate and think through things thoroughly will create speed. He says efficiency and better outcomes in all areas of life. It's like getting a steady stream of directional life signs such as rough road ahead, bridge out, dead end street, yield, slow, stop, go, proceed with caution, and of course, a tribute to our humanness, dip ahead. He says ultimately, we avoid the crashes of life and get to our destinations quicker and with less stress if we're in touch with these signs, often found only in stillness. He says the commitment to be at rest for a moment and engage in stillness can occur anytime, any place. After a bit of practice, he says, it only takes a short time to get to that amazing, restful spot where innovation is found, solutions become clear, and the right choices become apparent. It only takes a couple of minutes to save hours, days, months, and years of wasting time cleaning up messes, rerouting our course, and redoing what went wrong and making up for missed innovations. You see why I said peace be still? Peace be still. This is why. Peace be still. I don't think there's anything else to say but to bask in this. Allow yourself today, or if not today, if you're not feeling it, it's fine. Let's pick a day out of the week to feel the stillness, and you will watch that you'll experience more profoundness and more innovation, and allow yourself to receive what the ancestors are looking to bless you, or get those prayers answered. Because I've always shared this, when you are so busy praying and being a busy mouth and you asking and you're not allowing yourself to receive the message, that is where the frustration lies for you. That is where the challenge in the inner conflict and the turmoil starts to continue to spin, and you've got to get to a place. Now, let me correct that self. You ain't got to do nothing, but you should get to a place where you can find peace and calmness. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you today. With that being said, have a powerful and productive day. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue our series of Shift Your Thinking. Bye.